How come manifestation is hard for some people and for others it's easy, it's effortless. And especially as a beginner, it is frustrating. It can become really frustrating and overwhelming. And I'm talking from experience because this is exactly how I felt when I got into this whole manifestation realm and learned about techniques and way too many techniques, and I just couldn't figure out why I was not able to manifest anything effortlessly like other people are doing so. And guys, I am here to tell you that manifestation is actually simple. It really is. It is effortless, it is easy, and you are just overcomplicating things. That's all it is. Because I was overcomplicating things as well for a very long time. When you read Neville or any other teacher or even hear success stories, you always kind of hear the same thing, which is just know that it is done. So basically just believing that whatever you desire is already here because you are already living in the end. The thing is, you are aware of this, okay? Because this is something that gets constantly repeated and constantly imprinted into our brains. But we still struggle. You still struggle. And I've struggled, even though I knew of this concept. I was aware of this concept, but I kept being stuck in this cycle. I kept just struggling with getting anything. And maybe you even came to a point where you just feel like the universe is against you, that you are not one of the lucky ones to get what you want, and that there might be something wrong with you. But I'm here to tell you that there is nothing wrong with you. Nothing. Just like there was nothing wrong with me, because I thought that at some point as well, that I'm not deserving of things. But you are deserving, just like I am deserving. You deserve to get all the good in your life. So I'm here with this video to clear some things up, to tell you that you can actually get the life that you really want, because you fucking deserve it. If you want it, you got it. That's it. And I'm here to tell you that manifesting is simple. It's as simple as breathing. And the answer to all your manifestation problems is basically this, guys. So listen up. You are putting way too much effort into this. That's all. Too much effort. There's so many spiritual teachers out there that will tell you that manifestation is actually effortless. It's simple, it's easy. And when you feel like that this is so much effort, that this puts too much stress on you, that this just overwhelms you, the problem here is you are overcomplicating the whole thing. People don't just say manifestation is effortless just to basically sell something, to sell manifestation to you. It's because it's true. It's true. It's supposed to be simple. It's not supposed to be hard. It's not supposed to be hard work, because when it feels like hard work, then you are actually not working towards your manifestations. You are actually creating resistance. You are actually pushing everything further and further away from you. It should be effortless. Why do you think, for example, SATs needs to be done in a relaxed state? So in most cases, we do it just before we go to sleep, imagining a desired scene, imagining our desired reality. Why do you think we are supposed to do this right before we go to sleep? Because it's the most effortless way. You are relaxing your body, your subconscious mind is relaxed. Your brainwaves go into a relaxed brainwave pattern, basically, which makes your subconscious mind more receptive to new ideas, to basically reprogram that new reality into your current reality. And why do so many people report that they thought about something once or even said something once that it actually has manifested? And this happened to me so many times, where I literally just thought about something once, or even said it once, said something like, oh, that would be cool to have it, that kind of experience would be cool, and I just forgot it. I just forgot about it. And suddenly, it appeared in my 3D. Like, I experienced that experience. I manifested a specific trip. I sometimes even manifested really specific things just by setting it and forgetting it. You know why it has worked and why it has worked for so many people out there? Because it was effortless. There was no effort behind it. Because effort creates resistance. And the more effort you put into this, the more you basically declare that it is hard to get. And guess what? Because of that, it's also going to be harder to get. And also, guys, do not forget who you are. Okay? Who are we? We are basically God. This is something that Neville talks about constantly as well. Alright? We are God. We create our reality. We create our 3D world. Everything that you are experiencing today is a result of your subconscious mind. All those thoughts, all those feelings that you had over the years, you manifested it all. You manifested all of your experiences. And when you become aware of how much power you actually have, you could literally change your whole reality. Your whole reality. And this took me so long to understand. Like, literally, I'm telling you, so fucking long. Way too long. But I finally got it. It was like a missing puzzle piece. But even though the puzzle piece was never missing, I was just too blind to see it. Because I was constantly just caught up in my head, constantly just looking for the newest technique that I could try and maybe manifest what I want into my life, when actually the answer was right in front of me. It was right in front of me. It was just simply letting go. Not specifically letting go of your desire, but letting go of the resistance and letting go of the effort. And just doing things that are fun, that don't feel like work, that don't feel like hard work, okay? It's like having a passion, guys. When you make your job your passion, it doesn't feel like work. It's fun. It's fun work. And it's not hard work. And this is exactly how manifestation works. So if you have fun doing sats, then do that. If you enjoy creating scenes in your head and just daydreaming and all of that stuff, then do that. Do that. But if you are someone who doesn't enjoy speaking out affirmations, meditating, scripting, then don't do that, okay? Because if it feels like work to you, if it feels like effort, then you are not supposed to do that. And I'm telling you, I was doing all of these things. I had a crazy ass morning routine at some point, okay? Where I literally thought I could change my life only by following this specific routine. I would literally wake up really early in the morning to have enough time to meditate, script, speak out affirmations, even do some yoga and breath exercises. Like, my morning routine was literally so long and it was so exhausting that it wasn't fun anymore. It just felt like hard work, and I was not looking forward to my mornings anymore. I was literally not looking forward to my days anymore because it was way too much. But once I started letting go and I realized that, in order to manifest something that you really want, it requires the least effort. Because manifesting is supposed to be simple. It's supposed to be effortless. So I let all of these techniques go. Basically just everything that I don't enjoy, okay? The one thing that I enjoy is literally visualizing scenes, okay? Because I've always been kind of like a daydreamer, even back in high school. I really enjoy doing that. And affirmations. I really enjoy listening to affirmations and even repeating them in my head or repeating them silently. I really enjoy doing that. It gives me a good feeling, okay? So, as well, watch your feelings, because feeling is the secret. So if you're visualizing a specific scene and it makes you feel a certain way, really be aware of that. If you're listening to affirmations and you're feeling a certain way, be aware of your feelings. Because if it feels stressful, overwhelming, and you're not comfortable, then drop it. And only stick to that which makes you feel good. You are not supposed to do all of these techniques, okay? I know that there are a lot of spiritual teachers out there that teach all kinds of techniques. But guys, even though there are so many techniques out there, and teachers, coaches are basically teaching so many different ones, none of them tell you to actually use all of them. Because if you look closely, most of them will actually tell you to find something that works for you. Because affirmations work great for me, but it doesn't mean that it will work for you. This is something that you have to try out. This is something that you have to basically find out yourself. And the best way to do that is to listen to your intuition and to watch your feelings. How does it make you feel? How does the technique make you feel? Are you overwhelmed? If the answer is yes, then fucking drop it. Move on to the next one. Try something else. Something that will fit into your lifestyle better. Something that will feel easy for you. And something that is fun. That's all. Alright, guys. I hope this video helps. I really appreciate you guys. I've noticed that I've got quite a few new subscribers here on this channel. So I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. I'm excited where this channel is gonna go, and I hope to help so many more of you. And yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.